Yo, YouTube, what it do, man? Welcome back to another video. As y'all boys can see, I got y'all another POV with the tune Scat, man. We're gonna go over a couple more things, man. But before we start, man, I just want to appreciate all y'all boys for staying out, rocking with the channel, man. Y'all boys been showing crazy love, no cap. Oh God, y'all boys been showing number love. Y'all boys dealt me up, man. Appreciate y'all boys, man. But y'all boys been cutting up, man. But yeah, man, we're gonna go and start off, give y'all a little pull right here. Hold on, man, let's break it down real quick. For the road. Oh yeah, she moving, twin. Motherfucker just grab gills and go, boy. If you ever want to get your Scat tune, man, watch this video, man. Let me be your inspiration, man. Check that motherfucker, man. That bitch, ooh. Trying to tell you, twin. Oh, boy, I thought that was 12 right there. Y'all see that little blue flash and thought that was police, man. They're gonna get past them. Had to get past them, man. A lot of people was asking me what's like the big difference I feel with the tune, man. I ain't gonna lie to y'all boys. Everything just feel juiced up. Everything feel more tight and secure. Like, I ain't gonna lie, like throttle response way better. None of that lagging when you tap the gas and it lag a little bit. None of that. I ain't gonna lie, top end is crazy. I ain't gonna lie, I wish I could have caught it on video for y'all boys. I had a wide body Scat, light to light. I did them bad. I put like, I would say like 3 or 4 cars on them. I did them so bad. So I'm gonna try to bring like more like racing content if I can. Ooh, they got them boys right there. Let me chill out, them boys already looking. Oh yeah, we gotta get from around here. But yeah, I'm gonna try to bring some more runs. I wanna get a run in with like a SS and a 5.0. A 5.0 and a SS. I just wanna see what my car is with them type cars right there. Cause I already know I'm walking Scats. Like, I'm walking Scats. And I just want to race like other cars to see where I'm really at. I'm finna get from around here, boy, cause I know them polices. I ain't gonna lie. This area right here, my car stick out a lot. I ain't gonna lie. So I'm just getting from around here. Oh my God, that bitch snatching. Hit some bad roads for y'all boys. Let's crack that one. Like it just grab, it pull in every gear, bro. Every gear is pulling now. Oh, they doing construction right here. Let me slow it down. Yeah, every gear is pulling now, bro. It get up the top speed so fast, bro. By the time I be trying to keep going, hit top speed, man, I run out of road, or either the traffic ahead, I catch up so fast, bro. wish I could feel this bitch. This bitch just wanna. every gear. I swear to God. This bitch not lazy at all, no more. Torque crazy, everything just, it feel like a whole different car, bro. It ride different, all that. Forgot to tell y'all boys too, man, I had a blowout on the freeway, man. So I picked up some nittos all the way around that bitch. Got nittos in the back, 315. Y'all know I'm on the 315 in the back. And I'm on 275s in the front. So that bitch ride even crazier now. It rides smooth, everything better, man. But yeah, man, we got way more planned, man. Y'all boys just stay down. Them headers coming next. That's what I really, really want next. Y'all know them headers coming next. Let's open up right here. These nittos hugging the road, boy. Y'all see that car there? Watch this. Watch how fast I catch up. I ain't never been able to throw my car in the curb like this with other tires. I ain't gonna lie. Them nittos putting in work. I always wanted to go down that road. Let's see what this road takes us right here. Oh my God. Oh yeah, and the downshifts way more crispier now. Oh, grandma been in that bit. Oh my God. Downshift so much crispier now. Everything crispy, bro. Oh my God, what the? But that was like the pothole, boy. I ain't never hit no pothole that hard, boy. God damn. Shit. of that truck. I gotta line it up against A6 and 5.0. I just ain't been able to catch one, but when I catch one, I want to see what's up, man. But yeah, man, like I said, man, appreciate y'all boys for staying down, rocking with the channel, man. Y'all went crazy on the last video, bro. Let's try to run this one up, man. Make sure y'all boys like, comment, subscribe, hype the video too. And y'all, man, catch y'all boys in the next one, man. Gone.